Welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me, and welcome to My Curly Girls and Me. If this is your first time, I got my curl box today. So let's see, what do we have for the month of, what month is this? June? I tell you, after being in the house for so long with this epidemic, pandemic, coronavirus, you want to call it, I kind of forget the dates and stuff. I'm excited to see what's in there, what's in here. I felt heavier boxes, but it's kind of weighty, so let's see. Yeah, I'm looking kind of rough. Got my hair pressed out and I just got it plaited to the side right now because I need to wash it and bring the curls back, so we'll see. I don't know how much longer I'll be wearing it like this. Let's get in here real quick. Let's get into this CurLBox goodness. Okay, so this is what I see. Okay. That's what I like to see. I like to see a whole line of everything that go together. So we have this is ORS Hair Repair Scalp Rescuing Detox and Renew Concentrate. That. We have the Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo Sulfate Free. We have this. And we have the Coconut Oil and Baobab Anti-Breakage Conditioning Cream. We have the Scalp Rescuing Detox Mask. And we have the Restore Plus Heat Protect Multi-Benefit Serum. Okay. That'll come in handy when I am straightening my hair. So this is with Active Protein Complex. So that's all. This is all the ORS Hair Repair. Smell is good. It's not overpowering. It's decent. Yeah. Yes, the smell is very like workable. Like it's not overpowering, perfumey. Let's see what this here. Nice card this month. CurLBox June 2020 Hair Rescue. It just has in here detox your scalp, marshmallow fluff, grapeseed goodness. Talking about the products. And the inside, I'm just dropping everything today. ORS Hair Repair Beat Build Up from daily styling, starting at the scalp with hair repair, scalp rescuing treatments. Made with detoxifying rose clay, active aloe, and other exclusive PE15 biocomplex. I guess that's the protein thing. Find your fix with hair repair. So this system is designed to address specific damage concerns and replenishing depleted moisture to strengthen weak strands and revitalize overworked hair. That's what this line here. It reminds me of the, I have another one, hold on, I think it's Cream of Nature's Complex line. Yeah, Cream of Nature Plex Breakage Defense. That's what it kind of reminds me of. So, anti-breakage. The only thing about products like this is when you're doing product reviews, you will have to have used these products for a while to see if they actually do prevent breakage and all that kind of stuff. So it's harder to review those type of products. This is the Scalp Detox and Renew Concentrate. Yeah, stuff like this, you just have to work with it longer before you're able to really review it. You can talk about how it feels on the hair and stuff like that as far as softness, moisture, detangling abilities. Like this shampoo says it detoxifies, smooths, and moisturizes. So it detoxifies and balances. So, and the rose clay has the rose clay active aloe and PE15 B10 complex, which that must be something new. I never heard of that before. But interesting. Interesting. So nice box, I'm hoping. I like that they're a full product range. Like I don't have a bunch, which CurLBox is really good with that, providing all of or multiple products, the whole product line. If not the whole product line, enough of them to use instead of mix and match products. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you thumbs it up and don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. And if you didn't like it, then leave. Bye. Until next time, Lord say the same. You'll see me in the next one.